IIT Kanpur. My name is Kevin Jose. I'm a third year undergraduate student at the Department of Mechanical Engineering.
Hi, I'm Neha Singh, a first year undergraduate student of BSB department.
Let us take you on a virtual tour of this beautiful campus.
IIT Kanpur was established in 1959 as one of the first Indian institutes of technology. It was created with the assistance of a consortium of 9 leading US universities which were a part of Kanpur Indo-American program.
IIT Kanpur is located on the outskirts of the Kanpur city. If you're wondering why I'm on a cycle, that's because this campus is spread over 1,055 acres. This campus is home to 1,000 faculty and staff members and over 6,000 students.
We are inside the lecture hall complex. The LHC comprises of 18 lecture halls which are equipped with modern audio-visual teaching techniques. This is where all the very interesting lectures are held.
We are at the PK Kelkar Library. The PK Kelkar Library is one of the finest academic libraries in the country, with over 3 lakh volumes and subscriptions to over 1,000 periodicals. It's housed in a 3-story building with a total floor area of over 7,000 square meters. You'll be here mostly for the air conditioning and sometimes for the books.
IITK is known for its excellent research facilities and a number of department laboratories such as the nuclear labs, the Nucor labs, the Southern labs, and also a unique wind tunnel facility.
We're at the National Wind Tunnel Facility at IIT Kanpur, or the NWTF. The NWTF was established in the year 1999. It houses the most versatile and efficient wind tunnel in India. It is capable of testing at wind speeds of over 250 kilometers per hour. The NWTF takes up sponsored and consultancy projects and also supports academic research at IIT Kanpur.
The Rajiv Modwani building spreads over 3,500 square meters and 70 labs with the state-of-the-art classrooms catering to the needs of the computer sciences department.
We're at the faculty building. The faculty building houses the offices of most departments and faculty members. It also houses the office of the Dean of Student Affairs. At 6 stories high, it's one of the tallest buildings on campus and offers an absolutely stunning view.
The auditorium has a 1,200 seating capacity. This is the place where the convocation ceremony is held and where you'll graduate with all of your memories. IITK is the only institution in this country to have an airstrip of its own. It's an asphalt surface, a 1,000-meter long airstrip. IIT Kanpur also has a hangar of its own with 3 gliders, Eschweiser, 222, 233 and 126. Right now we are inside the plane Saratoga and it feels really awesome inside. This is the Senate. The Senate is run by the Students' Gymkhana, which comprises of the Presidential Council and also the Films and Media, the Science and Technology, the Cultural and the Sports Councils. All the students' activities such as the Dramatics Club, the Photography Club, the Robotics Club and many more are managed by these councils. Elections are held every year for the executive positions of the Senate.
We're at the main computer center. The computer center serves as a central facility which caters to the computing needs of faculty members and students. It houses 2 high-performance clusters, and in freshman year, it is heaven for internet addicts and procrastinators like me.
Love swimming? This is IIT Kanpur's Olympic-sized 8-lane swimming pool with a depth of 20 feet. This is the perfect spot to cool out your heat in summers. And it's big. It's really big.
We are at Hall of Residence 7. The Halls of Residence provide accommodation and messing facility to over 6,000 undergraduate and postgraduate students. Currently, there are 11 Halls of Residence, including 2 for girls. There is also a visitors' hostel.
We at IIT Kanpur have some excellent sports facilities which has resulted in a great sporting culture among the students. The recently built sports complex has the wooden basketball court, the wooden badminton court, squash courts, a gym, pool tables, And we also have floodlit football and hockey fields. This is the tennis complex of IIT Kanpur with 6 synthetic courts and floodlights and the best possible equipment.
IIT Kanpur has set up SIDBI Innovation and Incubation Center in association with the Small Industries Development Bank of India to foster innovation, research and entrepreneurial activities in technology-related areas.
Wanna grab a bite of Mexican, Italian or Indian food? Food court is the perfect place for you. This is the open air theatre. This is the place where all the fun activities happen. Wanna watch a movie? Wanna watch a dance show? Or listen to some cool music? This is the place where you have to be. IIT Kanpur hosts Santaragni, which is one of the most popular and coolest inter-college cultural festival in India. Over 200 colleges participate every year. IITK also hosts Techriti, which is one of the biggest inter-college technology festivals in Asia.
For more information, visit iitk.ac.in.
And we promise you, the 4 years you spend here would be the wonder years of your life.